In this video, we'll walk you through the process of locating an iPhone from another phone, whether it's an Android or another iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. This method is great if you've misplaced your iPhone and need to track it down. To get started, open a web browser. Next, either search for or go directly to iCloud's website by typing iCloud.com in the address bar. Once you're there, click on the Sign In option. Enter your Apple ID credentials. After that, you'll be prompted for two-factor authentication. If you're unable to complete the authentication because you don't have access to the device, don't worry. Simply scroll down and click on the option to continue without entering the verification code. This will open a map where you can track the location of your devices. Now, go ahead and choose the device you want to locate from the list. It might take a moment, so be patient. Once selected, you'll be able to see the device's current location. And that's it. If this guide was useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful videos.